Yeah, I'm in a G-Mark, blingers, dinner. I don't know where I represent for G-Mark production.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Dancehall Artist Conscience is one of several international acts that is featured on the popular video game called Just Dance.
We not frightened for nobody, but we respect everybody, and we better than everybody. So me we run where anybody. No boy no better than we. No boy no better than we. Step on me can and say, run no for dance and fancy. On a bag of long talking. Something, do something, do something, do something, do something, do something. And a bag of long talking, feet no, just do something, do something, do something, do something, do something, do something. And a bag of leg tracing, feet no. Conscience me name but me not have none.
What the deal? Jamaican-born rapper FVD has died after falling at his Beverly Hills home. He was 44 years old. What the deal? People, check out Blinger's latest music video called Ugly Guns.
Well, if you know, see how me gun me forward. Because I rusty like zip, me go to war with. Me never people copper in a foreign. Yo, me gun them ugly, no blood clot. Ask Sugar Sherman. Some of them wrap up like jets in a turban. Blingers, we take out your heart like surgeon. Put it back floor, no, me left it panic urban. Uzi from Italy, case where a German. Rusty was sing sweeter than the Rick Sermon. Me gun them ugly like demon. Can't catch me walk with no sword like Zaron or E-Man. Me gun them ugly no ras. Tell a boy don't bug me to ras. So if a fool try to hug me to ras, them not go like it. Me gun them ugly. Me gun them ugly no ras. Tell a boy don't bug me to ras. So if a fool try to hug me to ras, them not go like it.
What the deal? Ziggy Marley says music today lacks spirituality and music vibration.
The most important thing about our reggae music and the history of it is the vibration of it, is the spirit of it, which is love all around the globe. This is what attracts people to the music, is the vibration. And all the reggae music have that vibration, have that spirit, and that I think is what is neglected or missing from a lot of what is happening in Jamaica now, is that spirituality in the music, that vibration, that mysticism of the music. You know, we can make beats, we can make rhythms, you know, yeah, we can make that, and that will be enjoyed for a year or two. But what will be enjoyed for a lifetime is the spirit that is in the music, and the vibration and the mysticism. That is the thing that lasts forever.
What the deal? Gaza Slim has reported to the St. Andrew North Police stating that she was robbed and gun-butted by a man who is claimed to be Clive Williams, the deceased man that Vybz Kartel has been accused of murdering.
Yeah man, yeah, so look boy grow on the perplex people. Sell me one down loose, they're like no better thief, we murder them, I wanna back them. Where's the singer?
We must shots for murder. We must shots for murder tonight. Hey, in the neighborhood watch. Slang bang in the neighborhood watch.
My gosh!
Yes, in the neighborhood watch. Down in the neighborhood watch.
What the deal? Prosecutors in a murder case against Vybz Kartel are implying that they have video and phone evidence against Vybz Kartel.
Don't play with the baddest bumbo clock man in a Jamaica. Me bust me gun without license. Shot bite off boy ears like Tyson. No farmer registration on the rifle. People stifle when it rise like the Eiffel. Double mouth shotty never come with fitness. Which pussy want come a court but witness? Witness gunshot a fly through your grave. To while me no license me gun but me license for blood clot kill. Me rifles long like giraffe. Handgun them fatter than a hippo. And them no go dippo. Me no follow back a man like hippo. Follow AK Uzi the calico. Make leng retire say me a sicko. Me will do the time like Mandela. Me murder the whole of them like Steve Biko. Uzi from Mexico. Glock from Puerto Rico. Or the American Eagle Pick.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out islandvibes.com for the latest news, music, and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
Damn blingers a sham, what the fuck you mean? Some boy you talk real reckless, dead man. But I'm fans them, only know see. Some of them past fans, them a AC. Expensive lyrics, Louis Vuitton flows. Damn, me and the dance all easy. Them say keep on my dead when them hear me. Why me never say the industry fear me? But I know that alone, have been lazy. I know me ready for the throne, shit crazy. We might stop your favorite DJ like Kesley. Me have some niggas that will walk with the AK. Them want kill me off like MLK. Me never enter but me and the LDMK. Me know niggas are mad when they hear this. Me don't give a fuck and the whole of them fear this.